Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
The coronavirus pandemic has unleashed an existing virus with full force in India, and it is none other than xenophobic and bigoted racism towards the people of the northeastern states of Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Sikkim, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. As many as 6 cases of racial attacks have been reported across the country after India saw a sharp rise in the number of COVID-19 cases. While the people of Northeast India have always been subjected to racism by mainland Indians with terms like chinky, momos, Chinese and Korean, and also with other remarks like, oh, so you're from India, oh, all of you look the same, corona and coronavirus are the new racial slurs added to the existing list. On March 22nd, the horrible incident took place in Delhi's North Campus when a man spat pan on a female Delhi University MPhil student, Rameshwari, who hails from Manipur, after calling her corona, leaving her completely shocked and her eyes burning as the pan juice entered her eyes.
It is high time for the Indian government to accept the question of racism in India. Anti-racial laws need to be amended urgently. How many such horrific incidents like getting spit on or even getting killed or beaten up or even telling us to vacate our rented accommodation just because we have mongoloid features? How many such horrific incidents is the government waiting to happen? The incident which happened with me is just a tip of the iceberg. This was one of the many incidents of racist hate crimes directed towards the Northeasterners by mainland Indians.
In Ahmedabad, Kathy, along with 8 of her colleagues, were forcefully admitted to a hospital after people in her office left complaints that they might carry coronavirus because they looked Chinese.
We think that this is not right because this is totally discriminations because of our looks. वो लोग ने हम लोगों को admit किया ये सब किया just because of our looks. We don't have any travel history, we don't have any symptoms और हम लोग अहमदाबाद पे काफी देर से हैं यहाँ पे, लेकिन वो लोग ने ऐसा करके हम लोगों को admit किया ये सब किया तो like all the Northeast people from Nagaland, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Manipur, कहाँ से भी ये सब they are facing the same problem because we are not the only one. सब लोग problem face कर रहे हैं आजकल कोरोना वायरस के लिए. They think that we are from China. Local people think that we are from China and हम लोगों को कोरोना ये लोग ने कोरोना लेकर आया. पहले तो चिंकी चाइना का माल बोलता था लेकिन अभी तो कोरोना बोलता है. अभी तो ऐसा हम लोगों को बुलाता है. So we don't feel good and it's totally discrimination. This is racism. So we requested our government, Nagaland government or India government to take some action against this for racism and for discriminations. So please हम लोग को भी Northeast people are like not safe, अपना country में safe नहीं feel नहीं कर रहे, तो please government भी कुछ करे इसके लिए.
In another incident in Ahmedabad, a group of women were asked by their neighbors to vacate the building immediately, fearing that they would spread the virus.
सुबह हम लोग सोते वक्त घर मतलब हमारा नेक्स्ट घर जो रहता है ना वो लड़का के दरवाजा नॉक करे तो हम लोगों ने बोला क्या हुआ, तो उसने लाइक सोसाइटी सबको बुला के रखा हुआ था और सबके सामने इतना चिल्ला रहा है, बोल रहा है हम लोगों ने कोरोना वायरस लेके आया ऐसे बोल के बोल रहे सामान लेके अभी खाली कर दो ऐसा बोल रहे हैं. हम उनसे बोला कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ है तो नहीं है, तो ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हैं, बोला तो अभी खाली करो.
In Kolkata, Tongo Machia, an employee at Oberoi Grand Hotel, said that a crowd had gathered around her friend's house trying to throw them out. Her friend lived with 3 other women, all from Nagaland and Manipur.
An incident of racism towards Northeast girls happened in Kolkata, where the girls were asked by the local people to leave the premises immediately. The girls got panicked. They got so scared. They called me up as I went to check on them with 2 of my friends. It was already in a bad situation, so we had no choice. We have to call up the police. But even the police turned up in a drunken state. My last option was to call up my manager and ask help from her. She didn't hesitate to help me. She sent a security of her hotel to escort us.
Tongo Machia told the print that the crowd kept yelling, "Go Corona, go," while others shouted that they would kill and chop her male friends if they came to help them.
As we were escorted by the security, the local people were standing in crowd and started screaming, "Go Corona, go." Just because we look different doesn't mean we are not Indian. So please help us We are Indian too.
In Hyderabad, a woman journalist from Arunachal Pradesh took to Twitter to express how she was racially abused at least by 15 people when she stepped out to buy medicines. In Pune, Changte, a techie from Manipur, was racially attacked when she was shopping in a mall. A middle-aged woman gestured that she had coronavirus as she covered her mouth the moment she saw Changte.
When you pass me, you cover your face. Please. Seriously.
I'm covering over here also. I'm covering over. This is not your responsibility, okay? This is not your. I'm not talking about you. I'm covering.
I have noticed you from that
You
time.
can check and then when you cover your. You can check your.
Alright guys, so this is the one we're facing.
You can check even the
This is the thing we're facing.
The people of Northeast now live in extreme fear in the rest of the country as there is a sharp rise in the number of racial attacks. Who knows, this systematic racism might lead into something more dangerous, like the murder of 20-year-old Nido Taniam in 2014. Taniam, who hails from Arunachal Pradesh, was murdered in broad daylight in Delhi's Lajpat Nagar area in a fight over his haircut. Only Union Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju and not Home Minister Amit Shah or Prime Minister Narendra Modi took to Twitter to express his sentiments against these racial attacks. As of now, it is not just the fear of coronavirus that worries the people of Northeast, but the fear of aggressive racism as India sees the rise in the number of COVID-19 cases and the frustration due to the national lockdown. For The Print, this is Bismita Skin. For more updates, follow theprint.in on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram.